I want us to go to old school in a bit. Yeah, old school trading in a bit. Okay, so just open, that is, we'll just go to the analysis tool, and we have this. We'll actually be using this robot called the erased storm shadow. Okay, let's first of all do the trade setup. We'll actually be sticking, that is $100. We'll actually apply the martingale immediately. We'll be trading market either over 3 or that is over 3 or under 6. So set up over 3 there. In case we find an under 6 market, we'll actually change. We'll increase the stop loss. Target profit, it'll only do $300. Then consecutive losses, we're gonna set up to 3. Maximum consecutive losses we set up to 3. Okay, everything else is okay. Now let's get the volatility. So we want to trade over 3, and the blue bar, green bar must be all be above digit 3. Then the red bar should be from digit 3 and below. Then we must make sure that these percentages of digit 0, 1, 2, 3, the percentage are low, and of course the tick must be playing most of the time above digit 3. So let's first of all confirm these two conditions. The blue bar, green bar all above digit 3, the red bar from digit 3 and below. Okay, let's try get such a volatility. That's a no. Of course digit 7 is messing up. Okay, so since it's not possible, we can also do under 6, because I can see an under 6 market here. So the blue bar, green bar should all be above digit 6. The red bar should be from digit 6 and above. So what you'll do, you'll just click here, cancel the default, select here volatility 75 index, make sure it's the same volatility. Shit, this one can mess up big time. Okay, we don't want the blue bar that is on this position. Let's see, volatility 100 index. How is it? This one is perfect. This one is perfect for over 3. So just click here, select 100 index, then market is over 3. Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. Yeah. So now if you check here, the blue bar, green bar, they are above digit 3. The red bar is from digit 3 and below. And if you check this percentage of digit 0, 1, 2, 3, the percentage are actually low. So what we need to wait now is for the entry point. The tick must move on digit 0, 1, 2, 3 at least 3 consecutive times. Then we run the bot. That is digit 2. Okay. So the tick must move at least 2 times, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then once it goes on the lower side, that is on digits above digit 3, that will just run the bot. That is 3, 1. Okay. 1, 2. It's actually, it can take a bit longer, but in case it takes longer before we get those 3 consecutive, like the tick touches 3 consecutive times, that is on digit 0, 1, 2, and 3. We can also use 2 consecutive digits, but right wait, that's 0. So if we happen to get 3 consecutive, the tick happen to touch, that is digit 0, 1, 2, 3. That's okay, 0, 1, and you end up on the lower side, you run. You start the execution. Recovery, good. Maziwa. Aye, shit. Okay. That's a loss. Recovery. One last trade. Okay. Good recovery. Good. Amazing job. So this is how the entry point should always be. Like right now the market, the way it is perfect. Just make sure these digits have low percentages. Make sure the red bar is on digit 3 and below. The red bar, the blue bar, green bar should all be above digit 3. Then how do you make an entry pointer? So you wait for the tick to touch digit 0, 1, 2, 3, at least 3 consecutive times. So the tick may come from digit 0, go to 2, then 3. Then you don't run the robot immediately. You have to wait for the tick to move to digits above digit 3. In case it moves, so after that it moves from 3 to 9. Now you run your robot. So you have to wait until the tick moves to the upper side, yeah, to digits on the upper side. So it can move from 3, 1, 2. Then if it goes to digits above 3, now you just run your robot, and that's how we are able to get this amazing performance. Just check. That's how we made 40,000 Kenya shillings using a very simple strategy. Just make sure you are using a speed robot. This one, the speed robot, because the speed robot takes execute on each and every tick. Yeah, it executes on each and every tick. If you check here, the maximum consecutive losses we actually got were actually 2 consecutive losses. Yeah, na mambo yote inakuwa best. Hii ni old school trading, but still works best. It still performs wonders. Just make sure these digits 0, 1, 2, 3, they have low percentage. Okay, when you talk of low percentage, I really don't define necessarily like it has to be less than 10. Yeah, just make sure these percentage here are small percentages. Then the red bar should be amongst the digits 0, should be on digit 0, 1, 2, 3, either of those digits. Then blue bar, green bar should all be above digit 3. Then wait for the tick to touch these 3 consecutive these digits 3 consecutive times. There is what you call the psychology of digits. The moment the tick goes on digit 0, 1, 2, 3 consecutive or even 4 consecutive times, that's the reason why we are waiting for the tick. After touching these digit 3 consecutive times, we are not running the robot immediately. We have to wait for the tick to go to digits above digit 3. Because there's what you call the digit psychology. Like if the tick touches these digits like 3 or 4 consecutive times, these 4 digits 3 or 4 consecutive times, the highest possibility of that tick is to go on the other digits, which of course are digits above 3. And the moment the ticker goes to digits above 3, that means we'll be making wins on digit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, because we are trading over there. It's normally very, very simple. Yeah, you just need to go and backtest the strategy and see how it works. And since now we have already done a strat that is over 3, I'll also try spot an entry on under 6. Then I'm gonna take a trade and explain to you on how you can actually be able to trade a market like under 6. Sawa sawa. Goodbye, man.